Congratulations, you come on those side of YouTube, which everyone can afford. So hello, today I present a short summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which save your time and increase your knowledge. So here's a story that summarizes the main ideas of Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The story of two fathers. I had two fathers, my own father, who I'll call Poor Dad, and my best friend's father, who I'll call Rich Dad. Poor Dad was a well-educated government worker who always said, go to school, get a good job, and save money. He believed in playing it safe and living below his means. Rich Dad, on the other hand, was a high school dropout who built a business empire through real estate and investing. He always said, don't work for money, make money work for you. He believed in taking calculated risks and building wealth through financial education. As a young boy, I would often spend time with Rich Dad learning about money and business. He taught me that the key to wealth was not just about making a lot of money, but about keeping it and growing it through smart investments. One day, Poor Dad told me to focus on getting good grades and finding a secure job. But Rich Dad said, don't just focus on making a living, focus on building wealth. He explained that the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them through assets like real estate, stocks, and businesses. I began to see the difference between my two fathers' mindsets. Poor Dad was stuck in a cycle of working hard, paying taxes, and living paycheck to paycheck. Rich Dad, on the other hand, was building wealth through his investments and living a life of financial freedom. The 6 lessons. Rich Dad taught me 6 key lessons that changed my life. 1. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them through assets and investments. 2. Mind your own business. Don't just focus on your job, focus on building your own wealth-building assets. 3. Taxes are for the poor. The rich know how to use tax laws to their advantage and minimize their tax burden. 4. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. The rich use corporations to protect their assets and minimize taxes. 5. The rich invent money. They create wealth through innovation and entrepreneurship. 6. Work to learn. Don't work for money. Focus on building skills and knowledge that will increase your earning potential. The outcome. I chose to follow Rich Dad's advice and focus on building wealth through financial education and smart investments. Today, I'm a successful entrepreneur and investor, living a life of financial freedom. Poor Dad, on the other hand, is still working hard, paying taxes, and living paycheck to paycheck. He never understood the difference between being rich and being wealthy. The story of my two fathers taught me that wealth is not just about making a lot of money, but about keeping it and growing it through smart investments and financial education. So here's the short story of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you like the video, then like it, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to listen other book summary, then comment down.